welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to get this turquoise icy blue kind of a look. I absolutely love this look. I love how this turned out. I didn't know it will look so good, but it does. And then this look is all about the clean glowy base, and yeah, the focus is on your eyes and your lips. That's it. The skin is very minimal and like clean basically. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that bell subscribe button down there, and click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is at _Shagun Choudhury 16 _, and yeah, please keep on watching.